question I get a lot is, Godwin, how are you getting the results right now in your business consistently, right? And if you're watching this video right now, before I even break down some of the strategies and some of the ways that you can switch up a few things in your personal life and your business for you to get the results that you're looking for, make sure to hit the subscribe button, right? And if you're watching this video on Instagram or if you're watching this video on Twitter, make sure to follow this, follow me, right? Follow the notification, turn on the notification bell, because I always drop valuable information that help you take your business to the next level. Now, of course, I'm scrolling through my home. It's been a beautiful Monday, but again, I'm making this video because I get this question a lot, Godwin. How are you getting the results that you're getting in your business consistently, right? And I'm gonna tell you guys this right here. The number one reason is that you have to focus on one thing, one offer, one product, right? And be able to scale that one product or that one thing. Because one thing I'll tell you guys, and truth be told, is when I started my entrepreneurship journey, I used to do 20 to 30 things literally at one time, which was driving me insane, right? And the crazy thing about it is, if I'm launching a new product or a new business or a new tool or a new software, guess who's building everything plus the funnel and the script? Me, right? So one thing I want to talk to you guys is that learning how to master one thing, right? And focusing on that one thing and being to yourself, right? Being alone, right? Being alone while you're actually building these businesses and scaling and creating the foundation for your business. Because I'm going to be completely honest with you guys. When I started my entrepreneurship journey, right, I used to do a lot of things by myself, right? Really everything by myself, right? But once I started focusing on these are the few questions that I asked myself. Question number one is, what is bringing me the most revenue right now? That's the number one question you have to ask yourself. And whatever that question is, whatever that answer is, what you have to do is laser down, right? Laser in to that specific product, service, or tool that is giving you the massive results that you're looking for, right? Because you don't want to focus on 20 different things and 1 or 2 out of the 20s bring you the revenue or the cash flow for you to be able to eat, build your business, focus, scale your business, and hire employees and teammates to help grow this business to the next level, right? So just think about it. You're trying to do 20 to 30 different things, right? Because there are great opportunities, there are great ideas, but only 1 out of the 20 is bringing you revenue. It sounds insane, right? And this is why, again, I'm making this video, because I want you guys to not make the same mistake that I made, right, when I started growing my business, right? But at the same time, I want to put you in the mindset that one thing can be able to take your whole life to the next level, right? I went from building 20 to 30 different things to focusing and laser focusing on 1 to 3 things, right? My first thing is bringing in the cash flow. You utilize the cash flow to invest into your other business. But let me tell you something real fast. Just because it's an opportunity does not mean you have to take it. Not every opportunity is a great opportunity. You have to figure out, what exactly do I need? What do I need to put in place? And who do I need to be around or to help me, to guide me to where I'm going to, right? What, level that I want to reach, right? What goal I want to hit. So, I get this a lot where people ask me, Godwin, this is an opportunity to get into Turo, Airbnb, start my own construction company, etc., etc., etc. But the main question is this. Do you want to do 20 to 30 different things and go insane and not generate no cash flow and out of 80% of those things you started? Or do you want to build a profitable business, right, and focus on that one thing that that is bringing the revenue, that that's bringing you the cash flow, that that's going to take your business to the next level, right? Why focus on 20, 30 different things if 20, 30 different things is not bringing you any money? You don't do that. Right? You do not do that. That's one thing I had to learn the hard way. It took me a while because I always see an opportunity and I like taking an opportunity. I see investment deals and, just because you have the money, don't mean you should do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. All right. So again, if you're watching this video, like I said, you need to learn how to focus on one thing, right? And again, the one thing that I had to learn the hard way too, because like I said, once you learn a mistake that someone committed or went through, it saves you from going through that same mistake, right? That's like if let's say that I'm just walking, right? And I trip over a rock. Are you gonna walk right behind me and trip over that same rock? Or are you going to maneuver so that you don't trip on that same rock, right? And it goes back to what I was gonna say before I actually end this, video, is that there's nothing wrong with being alone. Right now I'm in my beautiful home and I'm alone, right? You can focus when you're alone, right? You can get creative when you are alone. There's a different type of energy. There's a different type of shift. There's a different type of thinking that happens when you're by yourself, because you start developing, you start thinking differently, right? And sometimes there's nothing wrong with being around your partners. There's nothing wrong with that. But what I mean by being alone is when you do not surround yourself around people that are not helping you grow, that's not give you any type of belief in what your dreams and goals are, that's not give you any guidance or push, that's not give you the information that you need and the tools that you need to scale your business to the next level. You don't need to do that. Time wasting. Time wasting. Time wasting. And when you waste time, you're wasting money. And when you're wasting money, you know what happens after that? The people that are looking up to you, the people that believed in you, you're letting them down. So we can't waste time in 2021. We can't waste time in general at all, period. All right. I love you guys. And then before I leave, make sure to hit the subscribe button. This is going to important because we are going to continuously drop content back to back to back. Listen, guys, back to back. All right. I love you guys. Let's go.